I'm 20 years old and I didn't know how to use a washing machine, but now I do. So the problem was actually that the door wasn't closing properly. So Lowkey wasn't entirely my fault. I just had to push it down really hard and then the lid would close. And uses coins. I'm staying at a guest house. And most washing machines, you just add 1 scoop of liquid and it works. Thing is, with this machine, I had a problem where it didn't run fully with those coins and I came out with wet soppy clothes. And now I know how it works. So you have to use a fast jet and it first adds soap and then it spins it around to dry them. I had no idea, but now I do.